Cutting a round pipe at any angle has always difficulties. Here a simple mechanical adjustable fastener fabrication is shown with which you can cut a pipe in 2 degrees. Few thing which you need are 2 bearing bushes, iron plates and a cutter, etc. Seven mechanical components are involved in a bending operation to construct a toy. Cutting internal threads and wood pieces are also a requirement nowadays. A tap tool is designed from a simple steel nut with which you can make thread and wood easily as shown.